Today, the market has made a turnaround and a change in trend on the 6th. This is actually 59 days from our low at 59K. We're expecting this move to come down here, and we're just in a delayed phase right now. We're still expecting this move down late into the month before a May turnaround recovery. Let's go take a look at this MACD quickly. We started to get a golden cross and the buyers have stepped in. However, we have this long descending channel here, and it looks very much like we're about to retest and touch upon this. Next, we have the RSI, which has reverted back up and to its old trend line and looks like it's about to top out here. We're going to talk about the Ephemeris and why we think that will be the case. We know that a topping pattern and a move down is coming. This is the stochastic. This is a leading and lagging indicator, in my opinion. We're just showing again another low rally top here in this indicator, and going back to the chart here, you guys can see that the market's not super high. It hasn't broke out of this trend line here, so it is it's showing a lot of bear market rally behavior, and we're just coming up on the 50% Fibonacci, this solid green line here. So we're expecting that we could have a bounce up, a retest, and then a move back down. So let's go take a look now at the Ephemeris and the square. Herein is my private Ephemeris. I take all these readings from astro.com, where you can go and look at the Ephemeris yourself. I have color coordinated where all the conjunctions happen with these planets. As you can see, there's quite a bit of action this month when the moon is going to be coming around and hitting Pluto first, and then coming around and contacting with the moon's node, and then Neptune, the planet of illusion, and then of course next we will be contacting the Saturn, which is of course, structure, law, regulations. So I'm expecting that we could have a move up and then a big move down into this area. There's a lot of confluence of conjunctions of planets and planetary energy here, so let's just pay attention to that. The moon will also be conjunct Uranus here, and that's another one that has a lot of shocks and stuff. So let's go take a look at the square. Looking at the square, we have Mars coming in to make a conjunction with Neptune and with Saturn, the planet of restriction and laws and regulations, where I expect the Clarity Act will be revealed, or a large portion of the Clarity Act will come to pass. We also have many other planets that are passing over this area. I don't mean to say many, I meant to say Mercury. Venus has already passed over, and we're going to have some more conjunctions with Mercury. Mercury looks to be making some conjunctions around the 16th and the 17th, as well as the 20th. Next is we're going to have Venus come up and contact the planet of disruption, which is technology. Notice that this symbol looks like the Star Trek Enterprise because it represents flying machines, technology, and things of that nature. So when do we expect to see Venus make a conjunction? Well, that will occur around the 24th, 25th of this month, so be on the lookout for that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to anticipate the moves in the market. Next, we're going to look at the S&P 500 on the chart, and we're going to take a look at its last top in bear market and note how it has very much the same symmetry as Bitcoin. Peace and love, brothers and sisters.